And every year, peoples of Wales are welcoming thousands of refugees, people who have been forced to flee their home due to war and conflict and persecution, like me. I can reveal that the hospitality shown by people in Wales stands in contrast to the colder approach of other countries across Europe.
We take our lives, education, and safety for granted each day. And people in countries such as Syria, Somalia, and Afghanistan don't have this privilege and opportunity that we do. So us getting this award means that now some people of countries like these will now be able to feel safe while getting a full education.
Thanks all. Because of you, I can change my future now, and I can be part of this society. So maybe I can benefit this country one day. And
participants said, the skills and experience I have from Down to Earth with Swansea City of Sanctuary is unforgettable. Before Down to Earth, I had real difficulty smiling, but the project made me look into life in a positive way, and now I'm always hopeful for a better life.